Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this episode of Terry Talk. I'm right now at Düsseldorf Altstadt, in English, the old town of Düsseldorf. And I'm going to show you today the Düsseldorf Altbier, old beer.
If you check on Wikipedia, you find out that the Old Town is also known as the longest bar in the world. Why? Because the Old Town covers only half a square kilometer, but there are over 300 restaurants and bars here. And the tables of each bar are almost next to each other, so that it looks like a big bar. Especially when there is a football game going on, the Old Town will turn into a big party. If you think Germans are lack of sense of humor, you should come to visit Düsseldorf Old Town. It will change your mind. Within a few minutes walk, you will reach the beautiful Rhine River. Here you can enjoy the great view with a glass of German Riesling white wine. Düsseldorf is famous for its beer specialty, the Altbier. Today we're going to show you one of the oldest beer breweries, Zum Schlüssel. Schlüssel means key in English, so you can see this key right at the entrance. Since 1850, the Altbier specialty original Schlüssel has been brewed here. In 2014, it was awarded for the second time with a gold medal at the European Beer Star. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, the restaurant allows customers to use smartphone to scan a QR code to read the menu. I am going to try the Düsseldorf specialty blood sausage. It costs €9.70.
Diese Spezialität, ja. Blutwurst. Himmelrunde. Ja. Und für mich Rinderroulade.
Dankeschön.
And of course, the Altbier. It literally means old beer. Its name comes from it being top-fermented, an older method than the bottom fermentation of other lager beers. It uses much darker malts, creating a deep amber copper color.
I'm not a beer person, but to me this kind of beer, it tastes a little bit like coffee, and because of the special way to brew it, it has a little bit fruity taste as well. So this is my husband John. What's your verdict of this beer?
Yeah, it's a good solid alt beer. It's not my favorite alt beer, but it's a good alt beer.
Yeah? What's your favorite then?
Bolton alt.
Bolton. It's also in NAV?
Yes, it's in NRW, but it's not in Düsseldorf.
Okay, so next time we can go there and make a video about it?
Yeah, maybe we can do that.
This is the food we ordered: blood sausage with mashed potato and beef roll with red cabbage. Düsseldorf is also home of German mustard, having the first Senf factory in Germany. It doesn't taste as sweet as Bavarian mustard. Instead, they will have a bit of sweet and sour taste. Blutwurst is made from fresh pig's blood, diced pork and pork fat, salt, pepper, and assorted seasonings. It has a very soft texture. People have it love it or hate it reaction to Blutwurst. Some people are turned off at the mere thought of blood in the name. While I do like Blutwurst, we eat blood sausage in North China as well. We believe it has high iron content and is good for health. I have tried Blutwurst in many restaurants, and this one I can say has the best taste. Here is something interesting I want to show you. The German beer coasters are called Bierdeckel, means beer cover or beer lid. When you finish drinking, then you need to put the coaster on the glass like this, to show the waiters that you don't want any more drinks. If you don't do so, the waiters will continuously bring you more beer when they see your beer glass is almost empty. If you're interested in intercultural topics, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to keep updated. It will be a great help for us. In the next episode, I will talk about German banks. Alright, see you next time. Bye!